Welcome. This is the wisdom of the Avadhut Gita. Ramana Maharshi was widely regarded to exemplify its teachings. Listen, reflect, and deeply meditate. Know yourself. This is Richard Clarke. Today I'll read from and comment on verses from Chapter 2 of the Avadhut Gita, verses 3 and 4, about the recognition of your true nature. And I'll provide an inquiry for each verse to deepen your experience. Verse 3, the higher intelligence, which without effort pervades the movable and the immovable, and which by nature is all peace and consciousness, that I am. Verse 4, how can the one supreme consciousness, which without effort rules the living and the inert and is all pervasive, be other than I? My comments. Let's explore these verses from the Avadhut Gita in the context of Ramana Maharshi's teachings. The Avadhut Gita is attributed to the ancient Indian sage Dattatreya. The themes emphasized in these verses align with the essence of Ramana Maharshi's teachings. They emphasize self-realization and the recognition of your true nature as supreme consciousness. Verse 3, the higher intelligence, which without effort pervades the movable and the immovable, and which by nature is all peace and consciousness, that I am. In the context of Ramana Maharshi's teachings, this verse resonates with his emphasis on self-inquiry and the realization of the true self, often referred to as the I, or I am. Inquiry. Can I distinguish between the temporary fluctuations of the mind and the unchanging awareness that I truly am? Verse 4, how can the one supreme consciousness, which without effort rules the living and the inert and is all pervasive, be other than I? This verse echoes Ramana Maharshi's guidance to recognize the unity of all existence and the non-dual nature of reality. The one supreme consciousness is synonymous with the self that he emphasized. How can you be different from what you already are? Inquiry. What is the direct experience of the all-pervasive consciousness that transcends distinctions between the living and inert? To know it, you must be it. In both verses, the teachings of Ramana Maharshi encourage profound introspection and self-inquiry. They point to the importance of looking beyond the superficial layers of identity and thought to directly experience the consciousness and existence that is your true nature. The self-inquiry questions aim to guide you in your exploration of these verses and facilitate an experiential understanding of the teachings in the context of Ramana Maharshi's philosophy. Use them again in your own inquiry. So inquire, know yourself, and be always free and at peace. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Ramana Maharshi video, subscribe, like, and send me a comment.